In this video, you are going to learn how to make $3 per PowerPoint slide, doing basic text, basic animations, and all of that is already on the Google Slides document program for you, so you're not doing any of the hard work. You don't need a ton of skills for this, and I'm also going to show you a ton of other work from home jobs and paid tasks like this that will pay anywhere between $5 and $40 per task or per hour that is perfect for you to do from home during the pandemic. Let's go. Hi guys, Jay is back with another awesome video for you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $3 per PowerPoint slide and the best work from home jobs during the pandemic. These are all free to do and these can actually become your full-time permanent jobs. So not these simple once-off tasks. This is something you can actually do full-time, and I will show you a ton of other jobs just like this one as well that will pay you around $5 to $40 per task or per hour. However, I can't guarantee that everyone will get a job like this, as it is a process of submission, but I can help you and I can show you a ton of secret tricks and tools in this website that will help you get accepted. And I'm also going to give you access to an extra bonus website that will double the amount of jobs, giving you more jobs to do, essentially giving you more income online to earn with active work. And I'm also having another awesome giveaway in this video where the first person that counts how many times I say the word job, J-O-B, from the first second of this video will win $5. So what I do is I filter the comments by the newest comments, then I go all the way to the bottom and I will read upwards and I will see the first person that enters the right amount or comments the right amount. I will reply to them, heart the comments, and I'll reply, well done, you've won, and I will then ask you for your PayPal or your Bitcoin wallet address, so make sure to keep watching your comments for that because I will be replying to you. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm very passionate in documenting my journey on this channel on making my first 7 figures online. No matter how long it takes, I will constantly be documenting my journey, working hard at doing so, and taking you through that journey with me so you guys can get some exclusive insights and learn and get a lot of value yourselves and hopefully replicate something similar. So if you want to join me on that journey, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one, so that you can get to it first, beat the competition, and make the most money online. But without further ado, let's get into this method. So I actually have 2 websites in this video. I was only going to include the one, then I actually came across the other one and I thought, okay, this is pretty handy. I can include this while just doubling the amount of jobs. So you can see right here, this first website is paying you for so many different tasks, such as indexing jobs. So you're going to get paid $5 to $20 per survey to fill out. The various surveys will be different lengths, and these are not just your surveys that pay a couple of cents. These are full-on long surveys that actually pay a good amount. Online typing jobs, so you can earn $3.50 to $6 per 1,000 words that you type out on a Google document, for example. You can even use the voice to type feature, which will speed up the whole process. You've also got offline typing jobs, $2.50 to $5 per 1,000 words. And don't worry, I'm going to take you through the application process of these jobs, how you can get into them and actually do this full time and earn a good income online. And also make sure to keep watching with me so you can understand the tools and how to actually get into these jobs. And then also online teaching, so you can teach various different services, whether it's a language that you know, whether you know Hindi, whether you know French, Spanish, Portuguese, even English. You can teach that and get paid $30 to $60 per hour. There's online ad publishing jobs where you're going to get paid $1 to $2.50 per post that you make. Medical transcription jobs, $5 to $15 per minute per audio file. So that basically means transcribing, formatting, and proofreading medical records, and that pays a very good amount. Online language translation jobs, $10 to $30 per 1,000 words. So with this, you can use the help of Google Translator. Online proofreading jobs, $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. And online content writing jobs, $10 to $30 per article. So this is really, really good pay. It's not your small couple of cents tasks. These are full-on jobs that you can do full-time. And then the second website that I've got for you guys is this one over here. Same thing, typing jobs, $4 to $6 per page. Proofreading jobs, $5 to $10 per page. A paid survey job, $5 to $50 per survey. This one's actually pretty cool. A spreadsheet entry job where you actually get paid 0.2 cents to 0.4 cents per cell that you fill. So this is a really cool data entry job, and this is the one that I'm talking about, the PowerPoint presentation job, which is probably one of the easiest, as you've got so many tools that do this for you already. Graphic design job, so this is a little bit more for people that know how to use Canva or Photoshop, or you could actually drop service this or Fiverr and make profit on that. So this is designing CorelDRAW, Photoshop graphics and exporting them to various file format, $15 to $40 per assignment. Very good pay. Voice recognition job, $15 to $40 per assignment. So that's the conversion of medical prescription slips into textual and audio format. And that also pays really well. Same with online advertisements, 5 cents per ad posted. So you literally post ads for various different companies and you're going to get paid for that. Language translation jobs, $10 to $30 per page at 1,200 words. So you're translating various documents formats from one language to another. Again, you can use the help of Google Translator tool. So all of these jobs are completely full-time, but the most important thing is actually getting into them, which is what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to take you through the process of actually applying to these jobs. So the first website I want to show you guys that you need to come over to is Creative Jobs, called cjinc.info/current openings -openings.1.html, and you can have a look at these various different jobs. Let's say we want to do an online typing job. We're going to click on more information, which will take us to this page over here. You can see if I scroll down, you can apply now. All you've got to do is you've got to fill out the application form and then you email it to them and you will either get accepted or denied. So you'll see it's a simple application form like this. So you want to choose your job. Make sure you choose online typing jobs. Enter your full name, enter your email, your date of birth, your gender, marital status, contact number, and your country, your current profession status. What you want to do is you want to select freelancer. No matter what you are, select freelancer. Why you want to select this is because it gives them the idea that you've got more time on your hands, you've got more time for jobs because you're freelance, you work online. So these companies like to see that. They like to go for these kind of people because they don't want somebody who is, let's say, a student and hardly has time to do these kind of jobs. They want somebody who has more time and is willing to put a lot more effort into this because obviously their work goes to big companies, so it needs to have good quality, someone who's dedicated to that. What are your available hours to work? You want to select both of these. Select all of them. You want to give them as much as time available to work because these companies like that. You will just increase your chances of getting accepted. With you are comfortable to work with, make sure you choose multiple companies because you're opening yourself up to more available jobs. It looks good on the company's end to accept you. Your best way to receive opening earnings, choose PayPal or electronic funds transfer. You can choose yours and then just agree to this terms and conditions. Your signature, put your full name, you click on submit. They will then come back to you with your email saying you've been approved or denied. If you've been approved, they will be sending you jobs via your email. And then the second website we're talking about is Hiresine.com. So you can come over to current openings over here. You've got PowerPoint creator jobs, proofreading jobs, online typing jobs, voice recognition jobs, offline typing jobs, paid survey jobs, so various different jobs. So I'm going to take you through the same process on how to get accepted on this website, and also make sure to keep watching with me because at the end of this video, I'm actually going to do a second giveaway. Make sure to keep watching with me to see how to get into that. But firstly, we're going to head over to, let's take our PowerPoint presentation job. We're going to click on that and you kind of just want to read through it, understand what you're doing. Don't just rush through everything. You want to read through and make sure what you're actually doing. So just to show you, you just need a PC, up-to-date software, reasonably fast internet connection, and available for 2 to 3 hours for 5 days a week. So it's not full-time, it's a nice part-time job and it's paying decent. $3 per slide is a solid income. So all you do is you click on apply to be Hiresine. Will take you to the apply now page up top here. So all you're going to do is they review the hiring process. So you've got to go through how they hire, instructions carefully before submitting your application. This is crucial. Make sure to keep watching with me. So what you're going to do is, number one, go through the current openings of this job. You then got to select a job niche. So a niche is basically a specific category of work, whether it's finance, whether it's construction, whether it's food, whatever it may be, and then you're going to send your job application to Hiresine.com, and they're also going to give you instructions on how to do some sample work. So they will probably tell you how to create a specific slide point slide. So then all you can do is you can literally just go to YouTube and you just search how to create a professional slideshow. Boom, just copy exactly how to do that. Everything you ever want to know is on Google. Google is your mom. And multiple level examining, as well, and you might also be invited for a live interview just to get to know you, because remember, this is a full-time job. It's not one-off tasks. This is going to be your full-time job. And then any appointment letter that they might ask. So yeah, you can see submit your online job application after reading its rules. So you're going to click here, application, submission rules, and form. So you can see you just want to enter your username, your niche, your notice period. You want to select immediately because you want to show them that you're ready to start working now. Which positions are you interested in? You can select the PowerPoint created job, obviously your last name, your country, your work status. Again, you want to make sure that you choose freelancer because you want to show them that you're free to work a lot. You're not in this 9 to 5 job or a student where you don't have any time. You want to show them that you're available 24/7 by selecting freelancer, because this will all increase your opportunity of getting accepted. Your email, your password, brief about yourself, so you can tell a little bit about yourself. I've got some waitering experience, I'm very good with people, or I'm very good at talking on camera, or I'm not so confident on camera, but I'm very good at sales, I'm very good at fixing phones, I'm very good at technology. Just tell them about yourself, tell them what you're good at, tell them what you know. If you finished any qualifications, I'm a bachelor's graduate in BCom accounting, or you just want to tell them about yourself and really make yourself look good. Also, make sure you don't lie. Make sure everything is truthful. You want to enter your email address, password, confirmation number, mobile number. Click on that and you click register. Once that's done, you're going to have to submit sample work. So then you're going to have to take your time to complete your sample work. So you're going to click on sample projects over here, and you can actually go and read through the different types of sample projects that other people have done that you can influence your ideas off of. So once you've submitted this form, they'll send you email what kind of sample work they want you to do. You can go keep this tab open and influence that same ideas off of them so that you can produce the best sample work possible and obviously get accepted into this job. And also, if you're not sure about anything, any question that you have, put it into Google, put it into YouTube, you will find information. Anyway, information is such a commodity. I've learned more on Google and YouTube in the past 2 years, more than my 14 years of school and university combined. Google is your mom. So make sure anything that you're not sure of, Google, educate yourself. Make sure you keep learning about these different jobs, because obviously these jobs, you've got to know a little bit of work, but educate yourself on that. You don't need any fancy degrees, no fancy qualifications. This is all here free to do. And then for the second giveaway in this video, I've got this Instagram ad success video course that I paid a total of about $87 for on IDPLR. I'm going to leave a link down below for you to go and download this completely for free so you can educate yourself more about Instagram ads, marketing on Instagram, growing a business on Instagram, monetizing your Instagram business, and literally running a full-time business off of Instagram, just off the mobile app, off your phone, anywhere in the world. It's going to be an amazing video course, so I'll leave that link down below in the description, and also leave a like. I will really appreciate that support if you enjoyed this video. But also on top of this, I'm going to leave my best playlist on the screen. It's an entire 15 to 20 minute video course or playlist here on YouTube completely for free on affiliate marketing, on how I'm building an affiliate marketing, on how I achieved my first 5 figures per month, and how you can replicate that, letting you into my own exclusive secrets and what I've been doing with different ad sets and how to master that. So if you want to check out that playlist, I will leave a little link or a little element, the square element on the screen. So make sure to go and click on that, and I will see you there.